So what is God's plan in our life? Every youth wanted to know.
Tau khai tu mana kawang hangi pa plan si iya tembu taidam iya tembu tu show asa hangi si tu mana sungi lakan.
Because God's plan is the best plan for our life.
Ang june kawang iya tembu taidam iya tembu tu show asa ya semai bubat tembu taidam ngonang.
When God talks about the plan means God having a plan for your ministry, for your life, for your marriage, for everything.
Plan si ibu tembu iya tu show kawang nang jeng ne etpu taidam nang jeng etpu hipak asa ya ministry na chia jeng nok sabu na chia hangi na chia bu asa ma semai bubat semai bu kawang atam yang ngonang nang ayan jeng ne.
I have seen in my ministry many young leaders and the youth, they spoil their life without knowing God's plan and they proceed.
Tawa mabu jeng ministry tau kiambo ministry ma mabu apai bu tangsham lan apai bu youth lan mabu leaders lan no hadau kia kawang tembu tai tam ye che kawang mongu pam iman yetan ope iman tembu iman taibu ki iman kiambo chingna mabu ya sa hobo iman mabu chingni noksa bu hipak chingni noksa bu yimai bu mabu taw apai bu youth lan taw tangsham lan mabu nginang.
Because that is very important to understand when we are going to love someone, when we are going to keep relationship with someone, and when we are going to marry with someone.
Tau khai tu mana au pai chingni la kai au pai relationship build na mengi bai au pai hangi na chia bai tu mana hadau te rak pong yang.
To not knowing the God's plan, we destroy our life, we put our life into the danger.
Tau khai tu mana kawang iya mong bu ki iya chi bai tu mana leng bu ki tu mana tai bu ki kem bu ching na tu man hadau ma kam na tu man yong ya sa ho bu tu mana hadau ngi bang na.
So I want to encourage you, go and read the book of Jeremiah, verse 20, chapter 29.
Tawan mande ihu ba kawang ngama ya fanyang hadau Jeremiah chapter 29.
You read whole chapter.
Hadau chapter 29 nanga kong gambu ibu na mengama.
Till now we are reading the 11th verse.
Tunggu siya temana chapter 29 verse 11 sa temana inang.
It says that God says, I know the plan what I have for your life, not to harm you, but to prosper you.
Tahu hadau Jeremiah 11 me ba tahu nang jinga tembu tai tam asaya tahu has tahu cahai senang hadau nang dam meng nak pan ye chi yang boy hadau lengatan nak pan tai tam leng tahu temang wanang sa hadau Jeremiah 11 me nyanyang wanang.
Which kind of plan? Only for your ministry?
Hangki buba blan si iya tembu tai tam hangki buba lam new si iya tembu lam new ministry haya.
Only for your marriage?
Haya kali hadau jinwi lakpat si.
But for everything.
Hayang boy si wanda temana kong gembuceng na kawang iya tembu lam new ibung wana.
Because this is the letter.
Hangjing ne si buah hadawa iya nyambu letter cha CD cha hengona.
To the remain elders and the people which remain from the exile.
Ambu kanting ma exile iman tan ngo ya pe hatau nyu chung ma to bu ka ta landang ma iya letter iya hatau ngau lan pong tambu hengona.
When you read, you will understand what the God is blessing their life.
Betuman hatau I taya be hatau kong gembu ibu nemang ma hangka kawang I katalanda mohe mana tam teman hatau taula.
So now it's clear when God's talk about plan, God have the plan for your entire life.
Tau kai satu mana clear tu mana mong do ong ya senga ya lagi. Ba kawang nang jeng na tau blan tam yang nang sia be hatau tembu ilam yu yang I tembu cutai saya kendeng oi set kem nak pa lam yu yang tembu tai tam hatau nang satu mana senga ya lagi.
So what we need to do to obtain God's plan, we need to remain faithful and prayerful.
Tau kai teman na hatau iya tembu I mong bu ma teman lam yu ateng ba lam yu makiam lak ching na ateng ba I tembu tai tam teman na ngolak ching na hangga silak si teman na I pai kaksu teman ateng ba kadal na kaksu bu kadal na meng yang kaksu I ayan pai wang yak wang hai ni fe bu ma teman na I pai yopu teman na yata yang akan.
Best example, Joseph.
Teman na lepu mai chana teman na Joseph ayan yenang.
He had a vision. God brought him into the process and brought in that place where he kept.
yang kawang ijing na yong tumbu ada process yong kem yang kawang ambukan ding ma ijing na tumya ba tumbu nyu jing da kawang ngoi tam yang ge.
My dear youth, understand God has a proper timing to do everything for our life.
Tau kai tau kan bunyi jelalan tang semlan de ihu ba kawang ya jaman nang jing ne tumbu tai tama ko go hatawa ngoi gla khayang boy ambunyi son na chia boy song na chia boy hatawa ha ko go hatawa nang ta phakalak.
Not before the time, not after the time, but accurate time.
Man ngoi ba ye chi yang ngoi da ye chi yang ba e jeng khak su bu khawang atam bu tai da ma hataw man nang ya phakalak.
But what happens when we not hear God and proceed God's plan in our life? We put our life into the danger.
Hang ngai bu si tu mana khawang ye mong bu mong bu ba ka ye chi ba tu mana tumbo tai tam ma tu mana process na myang tu mana hadaw ki kiem bu jeng na tu mana hang ki bu nyu jeng da tu man ya sa hau bu si.
So rather than waiting for the Lord, we started to seek by our own self in the age of 13, 14 that whom I will get married, whom I will be loved.
Tau kai tu mana kawang tawa jeng hipak khat su bu ma tawa tau ba ta tau kalang tau ba ta phai tawa relationship myang la kia chi yang boy wang pong pan mi ipan malam pan ma peli pan ngang we pen ba ya tawa sa ji tawa chong bu da tawa naw si da tawa naw ya da si yang tu mana relationship myang nang hayang a ching yu nok sau nang hadau pai tu mana ching yu nok sau bo yong hadau pai lam ya fan yim mai bu tu mana ngi wang nang.
Try to understand that is the best age for your study, but devil not want that you may concentrate in God and the study and spoil your future.
Hayang at man hataw nang jeng pes hataw nang lai nyaw bu na chia hangin na chia nang jeng tui shaw kak su bu hipak mo nang wang pem pan mga pelipan mga pan wok hipak nang hipak yung tang sem hipak man nang hataw nang tui shaw ok ha bu hipak man nang hataw nang tui shaw myang bun nang nang.
It is a time that you may grow in your vision and godly vision that you can be develop your life.
Hayang hataw hipak mo nang jeng vision nang atay bu future nang jeng hitay asay man nang kem lak hipak nang jeng hataw kak su bu hipak mo nang.
We man want to get everything in according to our own time and our own understanding that become the destruction for our life.
Tau kai tu mana taibu tu man kada nu ha kada lana tu mana taibu pa ma tu mana kem hu bu ching na tu mana ma bu ma tu mana yan myang taibu ya sa hu bu tu mana ngi.
Isaiah 55 verse 8 and 9 says,
Over tu mana Isaiah 55 verse 8 and 9 da laya bai.
for my thoughts are not your thoughts,
Hang chung na juda yan human juda ki yan nang si wong yan nang.
neither are your ways are my ways,
Hayang alam yu an human lam yu pa yu yu si wong yan nang.
declares the Lord.
Tau kai yu an pa inang si wo hado inang.
For as the heaven are higher than the earth,
Wang tang lanat katong yu pa sa tao sa ngo bu yan nang.
so are my ways are higher than your ways,
Tau kai alam yu an nang jeng lam yu pa sa tao si wong
my
yan nang.
thoughts than your thoughts.
Hayang juda yan nang juda pa selu si wo tu mana nginang.
What God is speaking here clearly to his people, God's thoughts are very different from our own understanding and our own desire.
Tau kai tu mana hadaw kawa nga mi ibu hangi hangka tu mana China ge nang juda pa anlay juda yong luang wa nang si inang.
God have his own way to do everything for your life.
Tau kai kawang tembu tai tam ta ibu juda lam yu asaya nang juda pa jamu yu na hadaw ki tem yang wanang.
Sometimes we have our own plan to obtain the things in our own time.
Tau kai tu mana tai bu tu man yang da tu man mai mong bu lam tu mana yong kawang mong bu lam yu da tena tamna.
So what is the conclusion here?
Tau kai hataw masobo hanga solang.
You might be experiencing now.
Au sungbu nang hataw kung kumbun nang ayan may experience niyang wanang bay.
When we go on our own way to achieve something,
Au ba nang ninging da kiam ba nang tay bu pa ma nang kiam wanda nang hataw tu shaw oklak sa nang tay wanda.
we got distractions.
Nang hataw kanting man nang yu na yu ok pa niyang tay bungin
Many
bay.
youths they gone in the alcohol and the drugs and addictions.
Mabu chulalan mabu tangsimlan alcohol me yang drug addiction mabu hataw may miyang tay bu tu
Even
mana
many
nginang.
committed suicide and they finish their life.
Mabu katalan hadaw ki suicide na miyang iman ayan kumtambu hadaw nginang
But I want to encourage my all youth, those who are watching us.
hayang boy taw kamatay bu mabo tangshlan hadaw da taw namandan ihu bo
Let this revival fire may burn inside your heart.
taw kay hataw revival hataw walung kay nang ayan hayang nang mujang da hataw lungatam ha
Where you be thirsty for the Lord and pray to Him.
ambu kanting man nang sinyaw ngonang ambu kanting man nang yang le ngonang hadaw kanting makawang da nang yup taw
For everything of your life.
asay makawang ta yup taw
And God may bless you.
kawang nang ayan moy man
You
pa
close your eyes
taw kay nang mungoy ha
and pray.
yup ha yup
Wherever you are watching us.
nang ambu kanting man laya pa hadaw kanting man nang yup kay
God, let your revival fire burn in my heart.
oh kawang nang revival balung yong amung chang walungay dam
Till now,
pa
I might be walking on my understanding, my own ways.
tani dang mo isa tawa mong buma yang hadaw kia tawa mong lam yu ma tawa mong bu tu sha ma hai taw kia mo yang ki sanang ito
When today your word reached to my heart.
yang bu tumi nang ngau kaya ada saki nam yang dam dagi amung chang do ong dagi
Oh God, deliver me
oh kawang nang yan yan na tam
so I can seek your will.
taw kia taw khay tawa nang among bu lam yu taw yam nang
So by your will only we have success.
taw khay nang among bu lam yu manaksi tuman okpu hai ngi nang ki
Talk to me, O God.
oh kawang nang atang ngau pa
Talk to me, O God.
oh kawang nang atang ngau pa
Help me.
ata jam pa
Help me
ata jam pa
that I may seek your will.
taw khay taw nang among bu taw yam nang mong bu lam yam nang
May God bless you.
kawang nang moy man pa
Next video, we're going to see how to find the will of God.
taw khay ami ban next video ma hangga kawang mong bu matumana tawlak hangga kawang ilam nyu tawlak taw hadaw ngau
Share this video to your friends.
taw kay hadaw video sa nang sumyo ay halanda nang samba ay halanda share no opposition share na miyang kay
That their life may be not spoiled
taw kay iman ayan no miyang ay taylak ching na
and they may grow.
hayang iman chong taylak ching
May
na
God bless you.
kawang moy man pa